Removes stubborn mineral deposits, restores clear glass and paint, enhances shine, protects surface, improves visibility, and maintains long-lasting car appearance. My today's video is about top 5 best car water spot removers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Boat Juice 2-in-1 Exterior Boat Cleaner. This 32-ounce water spot remover and SiO2 ceramic sealant is a powerful all-in-one solution for boat care, designed to clean, protect, and enhance shine in a single easy step. It effectively dissolves stubborn hard water spots, calcium buildup, and mineral deposits caused by lake water, salt exposure, or long storage periods. With a simple spray and wipe application, there's no need for scrubbing, rinsing, or extra detailing products, saving both time and effort. The advanced SiO2 ceramic formula creates a durable, hydrophobic layer that bonds to the surface, delivering a high-gloss, showroom-like finish while protecting against UV damage, oxidation, and future spotting. It is safe for gel coat, fiberglass, glass, chrome, vinyl, and plastics, making it versatile for boats, jet skis, trailers, RVs, and even cars. Unlike harsh chemical cleaners, it leaves behind a refreshing pina colada scent, making maintenance more enjoyable. This USA-made product offers professional-grade cleaning and lasting protection in one convenient spray. Now our second product is Chemical Guy's Raging Rhino Waterless Car Wash. Raging Rhino Smart 1, CWS22420SW, is a powerful all-in-one detailing solution that replaces 4 separate products: waterless wash, quick detailer, spray wax, and ceramic topper, streamlining car care into a single 20 fluid ounces spray. Powered by advanced Seraphine technology, it not only cleans but also actively bonds a protective layer during wiping, creating a durable hydrophobic barrier that enhances gloss while repelling water, dust, and road contaminants. With every application, the surface gains a slick, ceramic-like finish that helps keep the vehicle cleaner for longer and reduces the frequency of washing. Its multi-phase formula ensures both instant shine and long-term protection without the need for multiple detailing steps or products, safe for use on all exterior surfaces including paint, clear coat, glass, wheels, chrome, and exterior trim. It delivers versatile performance across the entire vehicle. Ideal for quick maintenance or full detailing, this product saves time while maintaining a showroom-ready finish with professional-grade protection. Our third product is Maxlone 20-ounce Car Spray with Triphene. Maxlone Car Spray is a versatile, waterless detailing solution designed to simplify car care while delivering professional-grade results. Acting as a complete car wash kit, it allows users to spray and wipe without needing a hose, bucket, or traditional washing setup, making it perfect for quick maintenance at home or on the go. Its advanced Triphene formula creates a strong hydrophobic barrier that repels water, dirt, and road salts more effectively than standard waxes or cleaners. This protective layer helps reduce cleaning frequency while keeping the vehicle's surface cleaner for longer periods. Beyond protection, it restores deep color depth and a mirror-like shine across paint, metal, trim, and glass, effectively replacing multiple products such as sealants, waxes, and sprays in one step. Engineered for extreme conditions, it withstands high heat up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, protecting wheels, exhausts, and engine areas while guarding against UV rays, acid rain, and harsh chemicals. Eco-friendly and highly concentrated, just 2 ounces can treat a full vehicle, offering excellent value and efficiency. Now number 4, Meguiar's M4916 Marine/RV Heavy Duty Oxidation Remover. This specialized boat and RV compound is a high-performance restoration solution designed to revive aging gel coat and fiberglass surfaces. Ideal for marine and recreational vehicles, it effectively removes oxidation, surface dullness, scratches, water spots, and stubborn stains that commonly develop over time. Its powerful diminishing abrasive formula works efficiently during application, cutting through surface defects while gradually refining itself to minimize haze or damage. At the same time, enriched feeder oils are left behind, restoring depth, gloss, and a vibrant-like new finish that enhances overall appearance rather than just cleaning it. Beyond correction, it brings back original color richness, making faded fiberglass surfaces look freshly maintained and showroom-ready. Despite its strong cutting ability, it remains safe on gel coat and fiberglass, as the abrasives break down to preserve a smooth, protected finish. Versatile in use, it can be applied by hand for precision detailing or with a dual-action or rotary polisher for faster correction. Backed by over a century of innovation from Meguiar's, it reflects trusted professional-grade performance for long-lasting marine and RV care. And our last choice is Magic Finish Water Spot Remover for cars. This professional-strength hard water spot remover is designed to tackle one of the most frustrating issues in exterior car care: baked-on mineral deposits, limescale, and stubborn water spotting. It works effectively on painted surfaces, chrome, wheels, and metal trim, breaking down tough buildup that regular car washes often leave behind. Formulated for both power and safety, it restores a smooth, reflective finish without dulling, hazing, or damaging the surface when used correctly. Instead of harsh abrasion, it chemically targets mineral residue, helping revive gloss and clarity across the vehicle's exterior. Safe for clear coat, chrome, and factory-finished wheels, it is suitable for routine detailing and maintenance, making it a reliable option for keeping vehicles looking freshly cleaned and well-maintained. Adding to the experience, its fresh frozen margarita scent replaces the typical harsh chemical smell with a more enjoyable detailing process. Easy to apply and efficient in results, it delivers professional-level exterior restoration at home, saving both time and detailing costs while enhancing overall vehicle appearance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.